Hey guys, Caleb here from Bros That Code. Welcome back. Today we got Color 3. Jump right into it. So I remember before when I mentioned I was talking about properties. I'm like, oh, I was going down to this tab down here, and I'm like, oh, color. But I'm gonna save that for a later video. Well, that later video is now. So let's get right into it. So I'm gonna go into server script service. Excuse me. And open up that script. All right. So we're just gonna manipulate its color, and I'm gonna teach you something called Color 3. So I'm in the script right now, and like you guys remember, if you want to go and manipulate a part, you gotta get the part. So make a variable part. And guys, I've been lying to you. Now we've been doing game get service workspace. Well, there's a simpler way to do it. I was just teaching this so you guys were getting comfortable with get service. You can literally just write workspace, just like that. I still do game.workspace or game get service workspace in some of my games, but you can just type in workspace. It's the exact same thing. All right, let's get to the important stuff. We're going to say workspace, find first child part. Like I said, if you don't know what this is, watch my video. I go into depth about it, but if not, don't worry about it right now. It's the same as writing this. Workspace that part, just a different way to get a part. All right, enough yapping. Now, to edit one of its properties, we just say part dot something. All right, we're going to edit its color. And as you can see, it takes in a color 3, which is right here, which is, well, the point of the video. So I'm going to hit that part.color. And then to actually go ahead and change the color, like how we change a property, we got the equal sign. And this is the new part. There's a built-in function, object, whatever you want to call it, called color3. And then if you hit dot, there's a whole bunch of things here. There's from RGB, new, from HSV, from hex. These are different ways to get colors. But for this video, and I feel like in the future, I'm using from RGB. This is the one that you're probably most familiar with. It's like the red, green, blue scale. So if you see like, oh, like 255, 255, 255, stuff like that, that's what I'm using. So I'm gonna go ahead. If I do a number straight across the board, it gives me white. So I got 255, 255, 255. So I got white. So if I go ahead and I run this, part's white. You can go ahead and manipulate it. This is just like a simple way of just manipulating colors of a part. Go ahead, we can make it red, like so. Part that color is a color 3, and then dot from RGB. I feel like this is the best one to use. I might be a little biased, but I use this one all the time when I'm manipulating parts, colors, or anything to do with colors. I always use from RGB because it's very easy. And even down here in the properties tab too, it shows me the numbers. So it makes sense to script it with the same numbers. So if I go ahead and run this now, part's red. It's pretty cool. And honestly, guys, that's it for this video. This is a simple concept. I'm going to go over a couple more things in this property tab, like a vector 3D object and C-frame in the next video. But until then, stay tuned. Have a good one, you guys.